Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating. Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have a seafood feast.
Seafood feast / delight, whatever you want to call it.
Prepared by none other than my mother.
Mama Duke's going hard.
Today's her last day. She goes home tomorrow. So she sent us off with a bang.
Bang, bang.
Also, honey,
Well, you know the foolishness,
it's your birthday today.
You know it is my birthday, so I'm not going to say it.
It's my hubby's birthday.
So
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to Richie. Happy birthday to you.
AKA Pastor Richie in the building. Nah.
Okay, before we dig in, check out my outfit of the day.
I like chocolate milk. 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 I like chocolate milk.
Black girls, where you at? Slim waist, ass fat. Black girls, where you at? Throw it back, make it clap.
We're back. You like it, I love it. You know what I'm saying? So what we got here today?
So what we have is king crab, mussels, corn, shrimp, pasta, festival. And put some on your side, my love. Because we're not in the festival, too much carbs that. And it's gonna get me full. Corn, tomato.
Family, you gotta help us today. We got a lot.
I don't know where to start. Now this sauce, I know it looks like Alfredo sauce, but it's not. It's a mix-up.
Wow.
That's what we call it. Mix-up.
Mix up sauce. Do your own thing. See ya.
When my mother cooks, oh my God, that's good. Yes.
We got it on deck again. Family, I needed a beer gang, but I'm not going for it. I can't have time for the beer gang right now.
We were such in a haste to eat, we forgot a lot of things. But it's alright.
Let me get some ice. Steaming is, yes, it's hot. My pre-birthday meal. First lady got a lot for me. You say you're gonna give my mini vlog, First Lady?
You guys will see a little vlog on tomorrow's video. Richie's so excited. He wants to know where he's going. Don't worry about it.
First Lady's here. Just come prepared.
Come on. What? My mother said it's actually Alfredo sauce. So I lied. But she said it's not your typical Alfredo sauce. It's her mix-up Alfredo sauce. Con good man.
Yo, gone good. Alfredo, nice man. I'm hungry. Family, this is so nice.
It's so good. It's really good.
I forgot the beer gang. Don't worry about my beard. If you get on my beard, I'm eating. I need that. So what we got here? You tell them what we got here? King crab?
I'm gonna tell him, baby.
What we got?
Right, yes, sir. I'm gonna tell him. So we have king crab, my love, all kind of crab. Shrimp. Only thing we don't have in here is jerk seasoning.
Family, this is really good. Be careful.
Hot tamale.
Relax. I already told you what First Lady got for me later on. I keep asking what I'm gonna do for my birthday. First lady gonna chauffeur me. Be a chauffeur. I'm gonna be Ubered around.
Oh, honey, hey, drink my side of my mouth.
Wanna bite it for you?
This thing is dangerous.
Wanna bite it? Oh, y'all want a shrimp? Okay, sorry. Let me shake it off for y'all.
Shucks.
Shake it off, wipe it off for y'all. I don't want to drip. I'll give you a drip. Drip, 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 drip,
Like this.
drip, drip. There you go. I know life not easy. No, say we have to win, yeah. Say we have to win, yeah. Say we have to win, yeah. You gonna hear that song, Tom? Yeah, that bust up a new song.
That king crab is good.
Family, right now?
Even though it jerked me.
Right now, the food is popping, but right now, I'm just excited.
The food is so good.
Good.
They said the man not give me no ice.
Yeah, ice. Yeah, like ice.
You want to save all ice for yourself, my God.
Yeah, like ice. I didn't even turn the ice almost done. I should have turned on the ice. I didn't know. You're gonna do the ice like that. You want me ice for you? You want?
That's okay, my love.
I'll get it.
No, it's okay. It's actually cold.
Yeah, yes, family. I turned on my ice. When they make too much, I have to turn it on because that joint be overflowing.
It's actually cold. Yeah, man, king crab terrible. Ooh.
Family, I also got this on the cut in case the Gatorade done. So, yeah, the same one. You know what I mean? Yeah. You sure you don't want ice?
No, I'm okay, baby.
Family, I'm bringing.
I'm gonna make sure there's no. Oh, sorry, honey.
It's a lot. I want you to help us today. It's a lot.
You gotta make sure that there's no beard in there. I don't like the beard.
We alone can eat this. Oh, damn! I ate my funny bone.
Yeah? On what? The chair?
Family, we alone can eat us today. So now we're sharing like hell. We're sharing. You can be sharing. I lay night so she know when it's gonna rain. When you share.
Well, it's raining today. I'm gonna give you guys the corn.
Give me a corn, man.
Look, they're gonna say all the seafood in, and y'all give me sticky corn. And diggy corn. There you go. It's
There you go.
dripping.
It's drip, drip. Yeah, I don't know.
Let me tell you guys something. The sauce is amazing.
Sauce, it's a sauce for me.
The sauce is amazing.
That sauce is hating, B. Different food. That sauce is good. It's a lot of sauce. It's the way I see it's a lot of sauce. What it's hitting though. Hope everybody doing well. I hope you enjoyed that story.
Oh, yeah, from yesterday. That's a good one.
So, you know, comment down if you had them experience. Ah, wow. Ooh. It's hot enough?
Yeah, man.
Wow. Family, while First Lady chauffeur me around, I might just pop up on her phone and go live. So, be ready. I don't know yet. Let me see. So if y'all there, if y'all miss it, that's it. Because you know I just pop up. Alright? I'll show you a little First Lady. First Lady gonna let me go on her phone. Chat with y'all little people for a little bit. Alright? So stay tuned. Y'all might get a pop-up. Right, First Lady?
Right.
It's my birthday. I do anything I want.
It's your birthday
Okay.
and you do what you want to.
Anything goes.
Anything goes.
Anything. Nobody would ever know.
They will never know.
They would never know.
No, sir.
They would never know.
And the wrong outfit we wear today, now.
Wrong one.
I mean, it's something that can get messy. Because this is messy.
It's a lot of corn. A lot of pasta. I ain't even a cooking right now.
Messy. Me yam too already.
Yeah, I'm doing right here.
Yup. Be careful now, be careful, because you're joking.
It's that sauce for me. Wow.
Con, man, con.
Family, you gotta get up in this last day of Mama Do's food. Ooh. Last one. Ooh. Yeah, but that you're Brazilian here. Yeah. I go over the Brazilian here. Damn. Hell, this is so good, you know?
And king crab is bad, man. King crab soaking up in it.
Damn. Family, this is good.
So good.
Yes, all you see is gravy.
But
We eating the food. We eating the food, trust me.
let me see if there's any beard in here.
Wow, that?
Check it. What?
Damn. I just missed the first lady.
I'm wearing your shirt too.
Don't worry. Later on, I'll take care of all of that.
Is your birthday or mine?
My and yours together.
If you guys can, oh my god.
What?
If they only could imagine how good this
I would
tastes.
say. Everything will be capping. So Mama Duke been here over 2 weeks. And Mama Duke told you every day.
And guess what? She's coming back.
And she's coming back. Mama Duke going hard. She love the presentation. Taste the tomato, you know.
Is that me I said?
You know something I lobster.
Ooh, that'd have been good in here.
I thought it was lobster in the first time, but I said, damn, Mama Duke, so I put lobster in here. Hey, Mama Duke, you tricked me.
Chunks of lobster would be really good in the sauce.
But it's you gonna freeze the sauce, right? You know that could go good on some rice.
Or and some lobster. What are you filling me up for?
I can't wait till later on. I can't wait, fam.
It's gonna go down?
It's gonna go down in my DMs. Damn. Food so nice and I scratch on my neck, I scratch me, you know?
Yo. I don't know what to say.
It's good. Rami, sometimes we just gotta eat, you know? We listening to y'all today. Sometimes we just gotta eat, you know?
They gonna say you guys say that in every video.
No, man, we gotta eat. Sometimes we just don't eat. We just be blah 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 blah. You ain't talking today. Know what I'm saying? Today is my day, so I don't have to talk.
That's true.
Yeah, you don't have to talk neither. No?
Why don't I talk?
You don't gotta talk. When it's my day, it's your day. So we gonna eat and the family talk and entertain us today.
It is so
Now they always do.
good. So good, so good, so good.
Wow. Wow.
That's a very saucy video. If you like noises and slurping, this is the video for you. Oh my gosh. I feel like I was eating a mile a minute.
Yo. Oh shit, I want to drink the juice. My Gatorade. You drink some of my Gatorade? I gotta go for the big boy. I told you the Gatorade was done. I gotta go for the big dog now.
I don't know why you brought one. No, you need two.
I know. I don't want to finish so fast. Because you know I take them to work.
Oh yeah.
I take them to work. So you know. Take them to work and then you know it is already. Alright, let me eat one more of the king crab here. Look at these muscles. You sure how big the muscle them is?
Big, big, big boy.
Excuse me. Look how big this muscle here. I'm just showing you. I'm not. I already licked it. Okay, so don't say, "Oh, you giving me? You already licked it." No, I did. I just want to show y'all. Big piece of muscle, man. Right, Right,
Yeah, it's your birthday.
Okay. She's sharing because she gave me 2 days of pork.
That's
Family,
true.
to be honest, she says it's my birthday, but every day is my birthday. Every day is my birthday, every day is first day of the birthday, you know what I'm saying?
That's true.
Real talk, young. Every day.
Even when I piss you off?
You piss me off, it's still, you piss me off though, but you make it up. But real talk, every day is our birthday, you know? It's my birthday, and I'm still going to spend on First Lady. First Lady gave me a budget, family. She said I could go swipe, so I'm gonna swipe like SpongeBob SquarePants. SpongeBob say that?
Really not.
Swipe or no swiping?
No, that's Dora.
Well, I was swipe by Dora. You know what I'm saying? And I tell y'all, size small shirt.
My God.
30 pants skinny. Make a line, don't push. You know what I mean? You don't have to fight. Just, that's what I'm saying. It's in the description.
It's in there?
It's in the description.
I'm gonna put it there.
Put it there.
Like I put it there.
It doesn't matter any kind of shirt. If you want to design a shirt and send it to me. I'll wear it.
Listen, family.
Just make sure it's small.
It's only because I'm on camera now why I'm at the station if I had a bean crack is open enough.
You getting credit, you know the damn TikTok broke.
Hey. Hey. Yo, you love tell people my business.
You can't crack, you don't crack.
My teeth. I don't play with my teeth.
She don't got strong teeth.
My teeth is not strong. So I have to take care of them. Because I only have one set.
My teeth strong.
You don't want Richie bite you. Richie bite you, that's it. You over.
Vampire.
Can you finish opening this, honey?
Got you, son. Alright.
I cracked it enough. Ooh. It's gushing out like juice. Careful.
Family, you see this part? You see how, put your name in and see. You think it's capping. You see that full of maca?
And then they'll probably say, where's the scissors, Richie? Get the scissors, First Lady. I can pull it apart now, honey. I just need to bend. Yeah.
Alright. We did damage in here.
Come on.
Yes, family. It's just only the sauce. Oh, your spoon, Tom.
That's okay. It's messy eating, enough. And yeah, messy money.
And the sauce. That's all left. Let me give it a wow. Cause
Yeah. The king crab and this sauce is fire.
I know
Fire.
it is.
Now, man, look at that mess, yo.
Making a mess, son.
Now,
Yo, family, me say yo.
when the camera turn off,
I say family. When the camera turn off, it's problems. So look out, I might pop up on that live and I'll show you some of the road when First Lady driving because I'm be chauffeur. This long time my First Lady have been driving me. You know what I'm saying? So I'm gonna enjoy that drive.
Drive, man.
First Lady got a excellent, something excellent planned for me. You know what I'm saying? All right. Get out of the wow there. You go and eat. Get out of the wow.
Can't tell me twice.
Let me give them the good people's a wow. Okay. Ready, First Lady? Family, ready? Anytime you can have a positive impact on someone's life, don't think about it, just do it.
Yeah, man.
If you can relate, relate.
Relate.
That's right.
I was gonna stop till I got every single piece of king crab.
All right.
Let me get it. All right.
Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and if you're new, welcome to the Greedy Couple. This is Shanice, aka First Lady, and this is Richie, aka Pastor Richie. So if you're in there, come out now. I like how you're coming out now and showing your love. You keep coming out because every day we see new subscribers and we see the comments and we look and we say, okay, there you go. Just come in and just tune in, okay?
Yes. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye. All right, unzip this, please.